Welcome back to NHH Green Farm. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of how strawberries grow from tiny seedlings to fully ripened fruits. If you've ever wondered what goes on during each stage of their growth, you're in for a treat. The life of a strawberry begins with a small seed or runner. These humble beginnings hold the promise of vibrant green plants and sweet red berries. During the first few days after planting, the seeds rest quietly in the soil, absorbing moisture and nutrients. This marks the germination phase, where the seeds prepare for their transformation. After about 2 weeks, tiny sprouts break through the soil surface. These delicate green shoots are the first sign of life. During this stage, the plant focuses on establishing strong roots. The roots spread deep into the soil, anchoring the plant and drawing up essential nutrients like nitrogen and potassium. Around this time, the crown of the strawberry plant, its central growing point, thickens and becomes more robust. In the next phase, something magical happens. The plant starts to develop flower buds. These buds emerge from the crown and gradually open into small white flowers. Each flower contains both male and female parts, allowing pollination to occur. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role here, transferring pollen from one flower to another and setting the stage for fruit production. Once pollination is complete, the flowers begin their transformation into strawberries. At first, you'll see tiny green berries forming where the flowers once bloomed. These young strawberries grow larger each day, soaking up water and nutrients from the plant. At this point, the plant focuses on supplying the developing fruit with essential nutrients like water, sugars, and minerals. The plant's leaves work overtime, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy to fuel this growth. As days pass, the small green fruit begins to swell. The size of the berry increases rapidly as it absorbs water and nutrients from the plant's roots. During this stage, it's essential to maintain consistent moisture in the soil and ensure the plant gets enough sunlight. Any stress on the plant, such as drought or nutrient deficiency, can affect the size and quality of the fruit. Around 2 to 3 weeks after the fruits start forming, the berries begin to change color. This is the ripening stage, where the fruit transforms from green to pale white and eventually takes on its characteristic red hue. The change in color is caused by the accumulation of pigments like anthocyanins, which are responsible for the rich red color of ripe strawberries. During the ripening process, the berries also develop their sweetness. This happens as the plant produces more natural sugars and transfers them to the fruit. At the same time, the fruit's acidity decreases, creating the perfect balance of sweet and tart flavors. When the strawberries are fully red and emit a sweet aroma, they're ready to be harvested. Harvesting strawberries requires a gentle touch. To pick a berry, hold it between your fingers and twist it off the stem, leaving a small part of the stem attached to the fruit. This helps preserve the freshness and prolongs the shelf life of the berries. It's best to harvest strawberries in the early morning when the temperatures are cooler and the berries are firm. Picking them during the heat of the day can make them soft and reduce their. Once harvested, strawberries should be handled with care. Place them in shallow containers to prevent bruising, and avoid washing them until you're ready to eat or use them. Freshly picked strawberries can be enjoyed in various ways straight from the plant, in desserts, or even turned into jams and preserves. Interestingly, strawberry plants don't stop producing after the first harvest. With proper care, they can yield multiple harvests in a season, especially if you're growing ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties. Between harvests, remove any damaged or overripe fruits to encourage the plant to focus its energy on producing new berries. And that wraps up the incredible process of strawberry fruiting to harvest. From tiny green fruits to luscious red berries, it's a journey filled with growth, transformation, and rewards. Thank you for watching and being a part of the NHH Green Farm community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos about farming and nature. We'll see you next time. Happy harvesting!